Hello and welcome back. We are Dave and Tiff, and with our two dogs Luna and Zenna, this series we are travelling through France into Spain. Please join us on our next adventure, where we hope to explore new places and try new adventures. We hope you enjoy this series. So we're just pulling up to the Fiat garage so we can have the airbag ECU calibrated, the new one that we bought last September now. And yeah, we haven't managed to get it fixed. It was a huge long delay before they could fit us in. So we're just doing this today, a couple of days before the MOT because it needs to be done by then. And we'll be all set to set off again for France. Anyway, she's booked in for the airbag ECU. Right, just parked her up. And I'm going to do the MOT now. Hopefully that's all sorted and then we'll be off on our next adventure. And with the airbag finally fixed and the MOT completed, we head off from Newhaven to Dieppe and down through France, so come with us.
So there's a reason why we're excited to get away from the UK, and that's one, the weather. I swear it hasn't rained for the last 90 days. Might be a slight exaggeration, but it feels like that. And two, the standard of driving on British roads.
And three, that just come down the M1. This time we did the breakdown, and it was 50 miles an hour nearly all the way because of the roadworks.
Yeah.
And there was only 3 sets of guys working in that whole section. It's total carnage, I tell you. The country is knackered. Anyway, we're heading towards the ferry to go to France and Spain. So
Hopefully for no more rain.
things hopefully are good in our world. We shall see. Come along for the adventure. What's this called?
Freedom! Zenna, are you ready to go on another adventure? Luna, you ready? Check. Dalek's ready.
I'm going to give this head cam a whiz. See what happens. Probably go in the bin.
Please, sir, can we go?
Yes.
Let's go. Hooray!
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right.
Oh, look at that. That was bad timing, wasn't it? Nothing I could do about that, though. Except I've sworn on camera.
You swear on camera.
You literally came around that corner
They do.
as soon as I was... Yeah, look, there's no other car can.
But they bomb it on this road, don't they?
They do, yeah. Well, make a note of the angle it's at now, so you know.
It's straight. It's straight up, so it's flat.
Right.
You know, your forehead, front of the steep.
You saying I got a flat forehead?
Yeah.
Put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And we've slept overnight. It was very, very noisy. I think it was worse than last time. And I said I would stay here again, and you said no. Anyway, as you can see, there's lots of motorhomes moving. And oof, we're going to go and get in the queue for the ferry. Newhaven to Dieppe, our favourite early morning 7 o'clock sail. So she'll get into France by 12 and hopefully have a good journey through France to Chateaudun if we get it. If we get that far. To be eaten up by the ship.
By the big ship.
Big ship with its mouth open. In we go. Beep up. Was he on? And we're shortly be departing. There's a big queue already, and we thought we were one of the first after. Right, here we are getting off the ferry in France. Well, this is a bit of a better view. I've got some blue skies coming on.
11 degrees.
11. We'll take it, it's dry.
France on a Sunday.
It is definitely the best day to travel into France. Early ferry in Newhaven to Dieppe, so you arrive in France at midday. And then you hit the roads, because it's Sunday and the trucks aren't on it. They are nice and quiet. Good job.
Luna, Zena. Good girls. So, the place is a little bit waterlogged. The river's almost bursting its banks. The pitch is behind us. Look at this. Oh my lord. Zena, come here. Anyway, at least we're on. Having left Dieppe at lunchtime, we're now here and it's time to walk the dogs before it goes dark. And stretch our legs, because we've been sat down on the ferry for 4 hours, driving for almost 4 hours. Anyway, Chateaudun. Done again. I think I've said that 3 times. Camping car parks. Oh yeah, well, the path is in the water, unfortunately, so we won't be going any further. The path's in the water. The path is in the water, look. On the picnic bench. Well, there we go. It's the end of that. So, Chateaudun again. But the river levels are sand extreme. Just there, on the side of that house, you can see a motorhome. There used to be an airbag, but it's gone now. But you can still park there without any hassle. There's no facilities there or anything. But look at the depth of this river. And all the locals are out taking pictures and amazing. What do you say, Zana? Amazing? Have you lost your sister? Here she comes. Here's Luna. Bonjour, Luna. In case you think we haven't done Chateaudun enough, there's more.
October the 18th, 1897. A monument to mark the Franco-Prussian War between France and Germany.
Okay, let's go and look at the view. Oh, look at all those flooded fields. Oh my lord.
Not as much rain as this then.
Yeah. Absolutely. Just follow the lead. So the site is there, just in those trees. And yeah, there's 3 motorhomes now.
These are the houses built for the gentry.
Really?
Yep, and there was a boys' school on the corner, the Birchton Bar. Built in 1582.
Wow.
I guess which king it was.
Well, it wouldn't be Alfonso.
No. In the day.
No, and it wasn't King Arthur, but that begins with an A as well.
Yeah. How can you guess? King Henry the Third.
You gave too many tips there. Hints, I mean.
Just trying to help you. History.
Yeah, I'll stand next to that doorway with Luna.
So as you can see, last night the water rose a bit more. There's Roma. That guy's the man next to us. His electric cable's now in the water. And yeah, it's slowly creeping up. Anyway, we're off today. And we still have the blue skies. That's not too bad. It's been here a few times before to Chateaudun, but this time we found some hidden gems, so that was all good. And we're going shopping and heading further along the N10. Well, we parked up in Montguyon, and we're just going for a walk. That's all right. Not much to say because all it did was rain, and it was somewhere firm for us to park on because the rest of the place, as you can see from that puddle just in the car park, is flooded. Anyway, let's go and see what it's got to offer before the rain starts again. And we're probably just going to walk up to look at that old building there into the village. It's free overnight, but you can empty and fill up with water if you give to pay. And we'll leave you there with a very, very wet France, and I'll see you next time when we head into Spain.
Is it a rat?
Too big for a rat.
Mm. It's like a guinea pig.